This training is about how to set up a CRM for your insurance practice without overbuilding it, without overthinking it, and without quitting on it 3 weeks in. The whole goal is one thing: a system you'll actually use every single day. Most agents don't have a CRM problem. They have a complexity problem. They sign up for a platform, they spend a weekend trying to configure it, they get overwhelmed by custom fields and pipelines and automations, and then they go right back to sticky notes and their memory. Here's the truth. The fanciest CRM in the world is worthless if you don't open it. The simplest spreadsheet is gold if you do. Here's why this matters. The fortune is in the follow-up, but only if you have a system that tells you who to follow up with and when. Without one, your book is bleeding out and you don't even know it. Renewals slip, cross-sell windows close. Referrals get lost. And the worst part? You convince yourself you'll remember. You won't. A producing agent's database is their single most valuable business asset. Not the leads list, not the carrier contracts, the database. Because every active client in there is a renewal, a cross-sell, and a referral source, and every dormant lead is a future sale waiting on the right touch at the right time. If you can't see who's in there and what they need, you can't grow. It's that simple. So let's dissolve the fear right now. You don't need expensive software, you don't need a tech background, you don't need a weekend to set this up. You need 4 fields, 60 seconds per client, and a 15-minute weekly review. That's the whole system. Top producers run their entire book this way. The tool is interchangeable. The discipline is what produces income. Here's how to set it up. Whether you use a dedicated insurance, CRM, a general business CRM, or just a clean spreadsheet, you only need 4 core fields to start. Resist the urge to add a 5th until you've used the first 4 for 90 days. Adding fields before you have the habit is the #1 reason agents abandon their CRM. Field 1, contact info, full name, phone, email, mailing address, date of birth, and household members if known. The household piece matters more than agents realize, because spouse and adult children are your most natural cross-sell and referral path. Write down who lives in that house. Field 2, last interaction, the date of the last meaningful touch and a 1-line summary of what happened. Not a paragraph, 1 line. Spoke about her dental coverage, sent annual review email, left voicemail about AEP. The point isn't a transcript. The point is enough context that when you call back, you sound like you remember the relationship because you do. Field 3, next step, the single most important field in your entire CRM. What's the next action and what's the date you'll take it? Call by May 15th to confirm dental enrollment, mail birthday card week of June 3rd. Schedule annual review in September. If a client doesn't have a next step, they fall through the cracks. Every active record needs one, always. Field 4, policy info. Carrier, plan name, effective date, premium, and a renewal or anniversary date. This is your cross-sell radar and your retention radar all in one. When you can see what someone has, you can see what's missing: the dental gap, the hospital indemnity gap, the life policy that should be on the spouse. You can also see when they're coming up for renewal and need a check-in. 4 fields: contact, last interaction, next step, policy info. That's it. That's the whole foundation. An agent with those 4 fields filled in for every client in their book has more functional data than an agent with a fully customized CRM and empty records. Filled in beats fancy every time. Now, the 4 fields only work if entry is fast. Here's the rule: 60 seconds per record, no exceptions. If logging a client takes longer than 60 seconds, agents stop doing it. So you build the habit around speed, not perfection. Right after every appointment, every phone call, every meaningful text, open the record and update 3 things: the date, the 1-line summary of what happened, the next step with a date. That's the aftertouch entry. 60 seconds, sometimes less. Do it before you do anything else, because the second you move on to the next task, the details start fading. Same-day entry is non-negotiable. For new clients coming in, the first entry is a little longer, maybe 3 or 4 minutes, because you're filling in the contact block and the policy block. After that first setup, every future touch is back to 60 seconds. The math works because you're trading a few minutes of clean data for years of effortless follow-up. The next piece is the review cadence. A CRM without a regular review is just a digital filing cabinet. You need 2 recurring reviews on your calendar, one daily, one weekly. Block the time. Treat it like a client appointment with yourself. The daily review is 15 minutes, first thing in the morning. You open your CRM, you sort by next step date, and you look at every record where the next step is due today, or overdue. That's your call list. Those are the people you reach out to before you do anything else. No prospecting, no admin, no email, just the next step list. This single habit is what separates agents who follow up from agents who mean to. The weekly review is 30 minutes, same time every week. Pick a day. Friday afternoon works for a lot of agents because it sets up the following Monday. In this review, you do 3 things. You scan for any client without a next step and assign one. You look ahead at the coming week's calendar so you know who you're touching, and you flag any policy with a renewal or anniversary inside the next 60 days for outreach. 30 minutes. That's the whole weekly review. Done. Let's walk through how this looks in real life. Mrs. Alvarez enrolls in a Medicare Advantage plan with you in March. Same day, you create her record. Contact block name, phone, email, address, birthday in November, husband Carlos in the household. Policy block carrier, plan name, effective date, premium, anniversary in March of next year. Last interaction, March 12th. Enrolled in Medicare Advantage, walked through dental gap. Next step, call April 1st to confirm card arrival and answer questions. April 1st rolls around. Daily review pulls her up. You call. Card arrived, she's happy. 60-second update. Last interaction becomes April 1st. Confirmed card arrival. She mentioned Carlos turned 65 in October. Next step becomes call Carlos in August to talk about his Medicare options. You just generated a future sale in 60 seconds of data entry. Weekly review in late September flags Mrs. Alvarez's anniversary coming up in March. Plus, you spot the August next step on Carlos. You schedule both. You call Carlos in August. He enrolls in October. You do Mrs. Alvarez's annual review in February, and you fill the dental gap you flagged 11 months ago. 1 client, 3 transactions, all from 4 fields and a 15-minute morning routine. Here's your action step. Today, before you close your laptop, do this. Open whatever tool you're going to use, a dedicated CRM, a general one, or a clean spreadsheet, doesn't matter. Create 4 columns. Contact, last interaction, next step, policy info. Then enter your top 50 active clients, just 50. Don't try to do your whole book in one sitting. That's how agents quit. 50 records, 4 fields each, in one sitting. Tomorrow morning, run your first 15-minute daily review. That's the start. Build from there. A clean CRM doesn't make you a better agent. Using one every day does. The agents winning in this business aren't using fancier software. They're using whatever they have every single morning without skipping. Start today, keep it simple, and your database becomes the engine that runs your book for the rest of your career.